Hello, I'm Nathan Ryan, Global Product Manager with Manitou Group, sponsoring the Manitou and Gehl brands. The model we'll focus on right now is our V275. It's the largest in the medium frame family. It features a one-piece pod cab design that keeps all dust, heat, and noise out of the cab. It's also got market-leading fuel capacity as a wheel loader with 28 gallons of fuel. Allows you to work all day and still have fuel in reserve. And the track loader version of the VT275 offers 38 gallons of fuel. The machine also features class-leading ground speed of 10.9 miles per hour. It's a vertical lift model, as you can see, very productive and best for dumping into high trucks or trailers. The machine shown here behind me features our large 14 tires. It is also available with a smaller set of tires. The new model shown here features our patented fold-up door, which allows operators to operate with the door open or closed. It also allows the door to be open with the lift arm in any position. These new models are some of the most serviceable machines on the market, with cabs that tip up 62 degrees, a cooler in the back that rotates up 28 degrees, a rear door, and 3 panels on the underside of the machine. There's no part of this machine that your mechanic can't access. Additionally, all of the lights on the machine are LED, providing a bright illuminated work area while you're operating in dark conditions. With these new loaders, we really tried to focus on reducing the time it takes to service your machines. As you all know, greasing your machine is a daily maintenance operation. It's always been a difficult challenge to try and find zerks when they're buried on hubs or cylinders under the lift arm. So with our new machines, we've made all of our pins greasable. So your daily maintenance just consists of walking along the side of the machine and greasing 9 to 10 grease zerks. It's very quick and easy and should cut your daily maintenance time in half. Inside the cab on these new models, you'll find pilot-operated joysticks, providing the user with a true 1-to-1 ratio for control versus what the machine will actually do. Also in the cab, you'll find a 7-inch color display with built-in rear view camera, heated cloth seats with air suspension, and large footwell in the bottom with an electronic foot throttle, which is also a decelerator pedal when you turn the hand throttle up to full speed. If you look, these machines have taken a step out of the past and are now a more modern design. So you'll notice on the top of the lift arm, we have a patent-pending design where the lift arm slopes down and away from the machine. This is done so that material will not build up on the lift arm. Material will slide right off the lift arm. So if you want to learn more about these loaders, I would encourage you to visit Gehl.com or make a trip to your local Gehl dealer.
Gehl, works like you.